Hola, mis estudiantes. Today we're talking about how to show possession in Spanish. Earlier in the week, or in the day, because you might have gotten through all the videos so far, we learned how to use day for possession. We had some video notes that we took. This is something a little bit different than day for possession. Possessive adjectives are the words for my, your, his, her, ours, and theirs. So I'll just kind of go through the notes, fill them in for you. You can print them off or store them on the Google Drive, however you prefer, or you can write them down on a separate sheet of paper. Possessive adjective is an adjective that describes who something belongs to. Who something belongs to. For example, my pencil. The possessive adjective is my because it shows possession. Our car. Our is the possessive adjective because it tells who the car belongs to. It's just not anyone's car, but it's our car. His mom. His is a possessive adjective because it shows possession. Your house shows possession of the house. Like all adjectives in Spanish, possessive adjectives must match the noun they describe in both gender and number. Not all possessive adjectives have a gender. Only the our form of the verb of the possessive adjective is going to have a gender. Possessive adjectives replace are the articles el, la, los, las, unos. That is the, a few, etc. So you don't use both. And I will show you, I'll show you what that looks like. In fact, I'll do it right now. So if I want to say like my mom, or no, let's say his mom. We'll do that translation up there. His mom is su mama. That is his mom. If you say su la mama, that is his the mom. And we don't want to say that. So we're going to get rid of this. Bye-bye. Adios. The formula, I don't really like formulas, but it's possessive adjective plus the noun, so the person, place, or thing that is owned. Possessive adjectives. The word for my is me. If the thing that is possessed is singular, such as a pencil, car, mom, or house, you will leave that as is. To without an accent is your or yours. His or hers is su. Consequently, theirs or yours formal is also su. It's the same exact word. Oh, that's plural. Hold on, we want it over here. Boom. And then this one is a little bit tricky because there's both masculine and feminine. So ours is nuestro or nuestra. And then if you want, I'll give you this one as well. This is if you want to master Spanish. You don't need to do this. Vosotros is y'all's. In Spain. Oh, vosotras. Okay. Plural, mis, tus, sus, nuestros, and nuestras. Breaks. Vuestros and vuestras. And lastly, sus. I got random capital letters. I gotta clean this up. Oh my goodness. I'll do this after the video. Anyway, notice that the el, ea, usted and the ellos, ellas, ustedes possessive adjectives are the same. I'm going to show you that again. Notice that su is the same for he, she, usted, and they, usted, or ellos, ellas, ustedes. Yep. So that it's the same exact word. So context is going to tell you which form in English they would use. So for this reason, you must interpret their meaning based on context. So to give some examples, wait, mi amigo, that's my friend. Nuestra casa. Our house. In the middle of the street. Our house. His books. This could be his or her telephone. Or it could be, oh crap, I gotta do both of these. All right, so this could be, it could be their telephone or his or her. For books, it could be his or her books or their book. Books, plural. Or classes. So this one, I would say that that in terms of writing, the nosotros is the trickiest because you have gender and number. And in terms of remembering that you can use su for both el, ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes, this is also pretty tricky. This has been the notes. Be sure to either write these down on a separate sheet of paper. You can just print this document off to be fair, or you can save it into Google Drive, wherever you're keeping your Spanish notes. And I'll see you next time. Adios.